We're going to do an unboxing of this EcoFlow Delta Pro. I just got it. I'm excited to have it. I have thoroughly researched the home battery backups, and the EcoFlow is the one to have. Well packaged. My goodness, that's a lot of foam. Now this thing's heavy. I'm 71 years old, and I think I can get it out of there, but we're going to try. There's the wiring and the documentation. Let me just set that aside for right now and try to pick this up. It's about 100 pounds. You know, between 90 and 100, and that's heavy. But take a look at how beautiful that thing is. That is gorgeous. Well designed, well put together. This is the Cadillac of all home systems like this. Again, I've done a tremendous amount of research on this. I've looked at the Blue Yetis. I've looked at the Jack something. I forget exactly what it's called. I've been offered, I'm a YouTuber, and I've been offered one or two to review on my YouTube channel, and have not done that because I really wanted this one. This is the Cadillac. This is the one everybody wants. This is the one everybody needs. If you're looking for a home backup system, then the EcoFlow is the only way to go. You know, they're not cheap. I get that. But for what you get, it's an amazing machine. So let's take a look at it. So I moved it back in the shade so maybe you can see the digital readout a little bit better. Let's go ahead and turn it on. This one came only 31% charged. That's okay. I don't expect it to be full charge when I get it. Well, first of all, if you don't know a lot about this, it's 3,600 watts, 3.6 kilowatts of pure sine wave power. It has the ability to charge in as little as 1.8 hours on 220, or I think about a little over 2 hours on 110. The charging ports are on the back. The output ports are here. This is what you will plug your appliances and stuff like that in. These are 20 amp, 120 volt outlets. Most anything in your house is going to run on 20 amps. If it's 120 volt, 20 amps is plenty for it. This has 4 plugs, 4 outlets for that, and it's also got a 30 amp outlet, which is also 120 volts, but it's for if you're going to power an RV or something like that. It's got USB-A. It's got USB-C, so you can charge all your devices on it, phones, tablets, whatever. Everything can be charged with this. So this is where the DC outputs are. A 10 amp, 12 volt cigarette lighter type output, just like your car would have. It's got a 12 volt, 30 amp maximum output here, and it's got 2 12 volt ports here that are 3 amps each. A reset button, a pairing button for Bluetooth, standby, remote, Ethernet hookup. There are 5 ways to charge this. You can charge it solar. On the back side, it's got 120 volt input to charge it from the wall. You can charge it at an EV station if you have if you're on the road and you see an EV station, there is a charging port there for a very fast charge. And on your back, this is where you will plug it into a separate battery, the external battery, which I did buy an external battery for it. So you can have 2 extra batteries with it. I bought one. You can have 2 extra batteries, supplemental batteries, which would take your voltage up from 3.6 kilowatts. One more battery is 7.2, and then this one gives you another 3,600 or 3.6 kilowatts. Here is your solar connections. Got solar input, AC input, and it's got a fast and slow charge button. You can go fast or slow, and has a reset button here. It's just a really, really nice piece of equipment. I am excited about putting it into service. So if you're looking for something that will power the appliances in your house in a grid down situation when the lights go out, this is the top of the line. This is it. It's quiet. You don't have to worry about disturbing yourself, your neighbors, or anybody else. And if you want to remain stealth in a grid down situation, this is the way to do it. No gas powered generator running. This is just almost perfectly quiet. No one will hear it. A 30% tax credit could be applied to your taxes in the year you buy it. It does qualify for tax rebates for some people in some states. And again, it does have an app that you download. It's got this carrying or pulling handle here. Rolls very easily with the handle, so you can carry it wherever you need to carry it. And from what I understand, it's very easy to roll even on uneven terrain. If you're concerned again about your power going out and you're looking for something to power your refrigerator, to power your devices, your TV, to charge your devices, to power your TV, to power your cable unit, things like that, this thing will do it. Freezers, you can lose $1,000 worth of meat in no time when your power goes out. This would solve that problem for you. So that's why I got it. I got it as insurance, and I bought the extra battery for it also, just to give it a little bit more power, a little bit more duration. I've got some solar panels for it. Just gonna get the whole kit, the whole shebang. But this right here is the heart of it all. This is where the brains are. The other units just don't have this kind of technology. After all the research I've done, and I have done a ton of it, this is the one I picked. So basically, it's an unboxing of the EcoFlow Delta Pro. Now, EcoFlow makes a bunch of different models. They make a Delta 2. They make a lot smaller models, less expensive models, but they don't have the power, the sustainability as far as power goes, that the Delta Pro has. This is the top of the line at the time I am filming this, the EcoFlow Delta Pro. If you're looking for something and you've been shopping and you've been looking and you're wondering what you should buy, what's the best, what's going to last the longest, what has the best customer ratings, all that, it's the EcoFlow. And the EcoFlow Delta Pro is their top of the line right now. And you can't go wrong getting you one. So I highly recommend, first of all, that you have some type of backup, some type of power supply. I've got a YouTube channel that deals with emergency preparedness and all that. So I'm big into that. I'm a big proponent of having a power supply of some kind to sustain you when the power goes out. For any disaster that you may be facing, like power outage, snowstorms, windstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, flooding, this right here will keep your power on when no one else has it. I love it. I think you'll love it, and I hope that helps you.